All right, Ezra. So what happened recently?
I recently turned 18, and for my 18th birthday, my dad wanted to go and show me how to invest.
Correct. And then what happened?
So today, me and him went and spent an hour or so looking through tons of different properties on wholesale lists from his email, and we came across this property in Casa Grande on Havasupai for 169,900 or 170,000. It's a 3-2 with 1,100 square feet on a half an acre. The property looks pretty nice, and we were going to contact the wholesaler, get more information, and then we wanted to go and send them an offer of around 150,000 to hopefully buy it between 150 to 160.
That's right. So Ezra just turned 18 and he has some experience with real estate so far. You've owned 3 properties so far, even before the age of 18. He and I have a business together and we purchased these properties over time, and it's been great. And so now that he's 18 years old, he has the opportunity to purchase some on his own. And so I'm going to be kind of coaching him and showing him how to do it. So this is the first video where Ezra is going to be doing a lot of the work on his own. Are you ready?
I am.
Stay tuned and we will let you know how it goes.